Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the 5 best exercises that fix 95% of your problems. These movements are the bread and butter of a strong, healthy body. Quick reminder, I'm not a medical professional. Always consult your doctor for medical advice. Let's get ready to smash it. Get energized, get stronger, and take control of your fitness. Let's do this.
First up, the mighty push-up. This exercise is a staple in fitness routines for a reason. A full body workout rolled into one, working your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's a powerhouse move that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. You can do them anywhere, anytime, with no equipment needed. Whether you're at home, in a park, or on a beach, push-ups are always an option. Here's how. Start in a plank position, hands shoulder width apart, back flat. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body, keeping elbows tucked in, aiming for your chest to graze the floor. Maintain control and avoid letting your hips sag. Push back up explosively, squeezing your chest and triceps. This upward motion should be powerful and controlled. Quality over quantity. Better to do a few perfect push-ups than loads with bad form. Proper form ensures you get the most out of each rep and prevents injury. If you're new, start with knees on the ground and work up to full push-ups. This modification helps build strength gradually. Trust me, nailing your first proper push-up feels amazing. It's a milestone worth celebrating.
Push-ups build serious upper body strength and improve posture. They are a fundamental exercise for anyone looking to enhance their fitness. Get ready to feel the burn and sculpt those arms and shoulders with the mighty push-up. You've got this. Keep pushing, and you'll see incredible results.
Now the king of all exercises, the squat. This fundamental movement is a staple in any fitness routine. It targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making it a comprehensive lower body workout. Squats are incredible for building lower body strength and power, essential for athletic performance and daily activities. To do a perfect squat, stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes pointing outwards. This stance provides stability. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and back straight. This alignment protects your spine and maximizes muscle engagement. Lower your hips as if sitting into a chair, ensuring your weight is in your heels and your knees are aligned over your toes. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, aiming for your thighs to be parallel to the ground. Drive back up to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top for maximum benefit.
Squats build functional strength, improve mobility, and enhance balance. Start with bodyweight squats to master the form, then gradually add weight as you get stronger and more confident in your technique. Unleash your inner power with squats. Your legs will thank you. Embrace the challenge and feel the transformation.
Welcome to Chapter 3, Plank Core Strength for Days. In this chapter, we will explore the incredible benefits of the plank exercise and how it can transform your core strength. The plank, often referred to as the ultimate core crusher, is a simple yet highly effective exercise.
It targets the entire core, including the abs, obliques, and lower back, providing a comprehensive workout. Additionally, the plank also works the shoulders and back muscles, making it a full-body exercise.
To do a perfect plank, start in a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms. This transition is crucial for maintaining proper form. Ensure your elbows are directly below your shoulders, and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is key to maximizing the benefits of the plank.
Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold the position. Maintaining proper form is essential to avoid injury and get the most out of the exercise. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter time than to struggle with bad form. Quality over quantity is the mantra here.
Start with holding the plank for 20 seconds, and as you build strength, gradually increase the time. Consistency is key to progress. A strong core is essential for everything we do, from daily activities to athletic performance. It enhances stability and balance.
Regularly practicing the plank can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and boost overall stability. Get ready to feel the burn and sculpt a rock-solid core. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the results.
Chapter 4, Lunges. Stride towards strength. Next up, lunges.
Target quads, hamstrings, and glutes, building strength and improving balance.
To do a perfect lunge, stand with feet hip-width apart. Step forward with right leg, lower body until both knees are at 90 degrees. Front knee above ankle, back knee hovering above ground.
Keep chest up, core engaged, back straight. Push off front foot to return to start. Repeat on other side. Lunges mimic everyday movements, improving balance, coordination, and stability. Start with body weight lunges. Add weight as you get stronger. Get ready to feel the burn and sculpt those legs with lunges.
Chapter 5. Pull-ups conquer the bar. Last but not least, the pull-up.
Ultimate test of upper body strength, working back, shoulders, and arms.
To do a pull-up, grab a bar with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Hang with arms fully extended, engage core. Pull up until chin is above bar. Lower back down with control until arms are fully extended.
Pull-ups can be tough, but you can build up to them. Start with assisted pull-ups. Gradually reduce assistance until you can do a full pull-up.
Pull-ups build a strong, defined back and improve grip strength.
Consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll conquer those pull-ups in no time.
So, there you have it, the 5 best exercises that fix 95% of your problems. These exercises are the foundation of a strong, healthy body. Incorporate them into your workouts and you'll be amazed at the results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome fitness content. Thanks for watching, everyone.